Hello everyone, this is 𝗪𝗵𝗆 𝗣𝗯😍 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to create or update Infusionsoft contacts for new Stripe customers in real time automatically. Right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you are selling your products online, so this video is going to help you a lot. So if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will improve your relationships with your customers, it will improve your customers' retention and their loyalty, right? So let me start here. Suppose that you are selling your products online, right? And you are using Stripe application, which is a payment gateway application, to receive the payments for your products, right? So whenever you receive a payment from Stripe application, you want to collect the details of the customer who have made the payment and add that customer here in a list that you have created in your Stripe applications dashboard. Okay, and you also want that the same customer will be added here as a new contact in Keap application. So guys, Keap by Infusionsoft is a CRM or customer relationship management application which allows you to streamline your business, improve your customers' relationship management, and here you can track your customers' interactions, send emails to them, and create personalized communication campaigns of your customers, right? So now to do this, you have two ways. One way is that whenever you got a payment here from Stripe, you are going to add the customer. Now you will manually sort out the details of that customer and then come to Keap application, then manually create a contact here and fill all those details that you have received from Stripe, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of payments on daily basis from Stripe application, this manual process can consume a lot of your crucial time and energy. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you add a new customer here in Stripe, the details of the same customer will be delivered here automatically from Stripe to Keap application, and a new contact will be automatically created here in Keap CRM application. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you add a new customer here in Stripe, the data of the customer get automatically delivered to Keap and a new contact will be created here. And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Stripe and Keap is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here I have opened my Stripe's dashboard. Okay, so this is my Stripe's account, okay, which is a payment gateway application. So whenever any customer of ours make a payment of any our product online through Stripe, we are going to add that customer here in our Stripe account in this customers list so that we can communicate with that customer further in future. Okay, so and this is my Keap account, which is a CRM application, which is a customers relationship management application used to communicate and manage your customers. And here you can track your customer, you can send emails as well as run campaigns with personalized emails, right? So what we want is that whenever we add a new customer here in Stripe, we want to add the same customer here in our contact list in this Keap CRM application so that we can manage that customer further in future. So I will show you, I'll add a new customer here in Stripe and we will see if that customer get automatically added here in our contact list in Keap. Okay, so I'm going to click here on add customer. And here I am going to fill the details of the customer. Let the details be Dilip Mehta. Okay. And let me fill the email address, right? And let me give the mobile number also. And I'm going to choose the let us say language currency. No, I do not want that. Okay, so I'm going to choose the country also. The country is, let's say, Albania. Right, now I'm going to add this customer. So you can see the customer is added here in front of you, Dilip Mehta, and all other details are added here. Now I want that this same customer should be added in my Keap CRM application so that we can manage this customer for further interactions. So let me open my contacts here and we'll check, and you can see that Dilip Mehta contact is here, right? So this contact is automatically added here without any manually opening this application and filling the details, right? So this is how it is going to work in real time. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring the data of Dilip Mehta here in my Keap without any manual effort. Just by filling the details of the customer here in my Stripe account, the same customer get automatically added here in our CRM application, which is Keap. Right, so let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Keap by Infusionsoft and Stripe. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or automation between Stripe and Keap. Okay, so step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Stripe with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Stripe application with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Stripe in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in second step, we'll bring the data of the customer that we have added here in customers list in Stripe to here in Pabbly Connect. And in step 3, we'll send the same data to Keap or Infusionsoft to create a contact. So the data of the customer who we have the data of the customer which we have collected here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the same data to Keap application and we will create a new contact there. Okay. So first of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. Okay, so I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Okay, now from here, come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here you have to create workflows like this. So to create a workflow you have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give a name to your workflow. So you can give any relevant name. Let me fill it here. So I have filled the name as create contact in Keap from Stripe customers data. Okay, now click on create here and your workflow is created, and you will find these 2 things first, the trigger and the action, right? So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. All right, as in our use case, the trigger would be to add a new customer in Stripe, and the action would be is to send the data of the same customer in Keap and create a contact there, right? So first of all, you have to click on this trigger window, and from this choose app you have to choose your application as a Stripe, this one, and in this trigger event you have to select new customer option, and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So with the help of this we are going to connect our Stripe account with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you have to go to your Stripe's dashboard. You can see this is my Stripe's dashboard, and here I have to click on this developers option, and then here you will find on the left hand side this webhooks option. So I have to click on it. Okay, now you have to create a endpoint here. So click here on add endpoint button. Okay, and here in this endpoint URL field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have generated here. So copy, click on copy here in Pabbly Connect and come to Stripe's dashboard, and in this endpoint URL field paste this webhook URL like this. Okay, and here you have to click on this select events, and here you will find customers option. Click on it and select this customer created. Click on this customer.created field to check on it. Okay, now you have to click here on add events, right, and then click one more time on add endpoint. So you can see we have enabled one more endpoint here, right? Now you will see in Pabbly Connect it is started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So we have connected the Stripe dashboard with Pabbly Connect with the help of this URL, and now it is waiting for the response to get captured here. So you have to do a test submission, or you have to create a new customer in your Stripe's dashboard so that we can capture the data of that customer here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to my Stripe's dashboard again and clicking on customers option, and here let me add one more customer, and I am going to enter the name of the customer as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆, and here I'm going to enter the email ID and choose a country. So let me choose the country India, right? So I'm leaving these things blank right now. We can enter the number also, but here I'm choosing this same as billing address. Now I'm clicking on add customer. I'm not filling many things here. Okay, so you can see 𝗪𝗵𝘆 as a new customer is added here, and let's see in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured. So you can see the data is already here. Okay, so it is showing the response it got 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and the number from our Stripe account. Okay, right, so the first two steps are completed, which is to connect the Stripe account and to capture the data of the customer from Stripe account. Now you have to click here on this action window, and here you have to connect another application which is Keap by Infusionsoft, this one Infusionsoft. And here in this action event you have to select create/update contact option. Okay, so click on it and then click on connect, and from this window select this add new connection option and then click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap. Okay, and from this window it will ask for a few required accesses. Okay, so I think I have logged out from Keap, so let me log in here. Okay, so now it is asking for a permission to create contacts, so click on allow. It is completely safe here. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and started showing connected. So we are connected with our Infusionsoft by Keap, and now it is asking for the email. So here you have to enter the email address to create the customer in Keap. You have to enter the email address of the customer we have in Stripe. So this is the email of our customer in Stripe. So you have to map this same thing here. So to do this, click on this field, click on Stripe option, and you will find this email here. So click on it and it will be mapped here like this. Okay, and now it is asking how to check for duplicates. So it will check for duplicates if there is a customer already existed with this email ID. So the same customer will not be added again as a new contact. Okay, so for that you can apply this filter. So let me apply the email only because emails are unique. Okay, so now it is asking opt-in. Okay, so what is this opt-in? You can read this. Has this person opted in to receiving marketing communications from you? Choose yes to send them email through Infusionsoft. Okay, so it is asking that if this person whose data whom we want to create as a contact in Keap has already opted for any communication from us, if he has subscribed for any newsletter or emailer from our side. So if you know that your customer has already opted for any of the communication emails from your side, like any newsletter or something, then you can make this opt-in option as yes. If not, then you can make it no. So we do not know about this, so I'm making it no. Opt-in reason, so here you have to add your opt-in reason. So we do not have any reason for now, so I'm leaving it blank. Now it is asking for this first name, so here you have to enter the data of the customer, which you will find from Stripe option, and you will find the first name here. This is the first name. Actually this is the whole name, so I'm mapping the whole name in the first name option only. I'm leaving the last name blank. And in the job title, so let's check if we have received the data of job title or not. Okay, so you can see we do not have any kind of job title here, so I'm leaving it blank. Billing address, city. Okay, so we have already we only entered the details about the country, as I remember. So you can see it is showing the country as IN. Okay, IN. Okay, so it is showing the country as IN only, so you can map it like this, right? And let us leave all these things blank because we do not have the data here. So if you're taking all these data from Stripe, then you can map all other details also, right? And I think I have taken the phone number of the customer, so let's check if we have the phone number. Yeah, this is the phone number, so I'm mapping the phone number here. And it is asking many more things just to connect, just to know more about your customer, so that we can wish him or her on their birthdays or anniversaries, right? So it is a customer relationship platform, Keap, right? So that's why it is asking for all such things. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered to Keap and a new contact will be added there. So let me just click on save and send test request. So it is showing this message, billing country code is invalid. Let me check what is the issue. Okay, so this is billing address country, enter your country code IND. Okay, so here you have to enter the code of the country, and the code of the country for India is IND, but we got the data like this IN only, so not to worry, you can enter these things manually also. So I'm putting IND here, right? And let us click on save and send test request again. So you can see now it is showing this kind of response here. Okay, now let us check in our Keap application. So I'm in my Keap's dashboard. Here I'm going to click on contacts and we'll check. Okay, you can see the 𝗪𝗆 contact is created here automatically, right? Right, so these are the details we have added here, and as I clicked on save and send test request, a new contact is created in Keap. So our connection with Keap is working properly. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, I connected Stripe application, and with the help of this URL we completed the connection with Stripe. Okay, then we created a demo customer just to show you the example and capture the data of that customer here in Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, after that, in this action window, we connected Infusionsoft by Keap and mapped the details of the customer we have in Stripe here in these fields like this. So I have mapped whatever the things are available to me. So if you have all the details, you can map all the details of the customer. Okay, like this. And then when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that a new contact created automatically in our Keap application. Okay, so the workflow is completed here. Just click on save. And let me tell you one more important thing, that you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. Okay, so if 100 tasks are sufficient for you in a month, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly.